All right, the drink we are about to make is called 110 in the shade. So I'm assuming that means what the temperature is in the shade, and this is going to cool you down and get you drunk, this drink, while you're sitting in the shade. So let's just get a glass that we can put pretty much a whole beer in, and choose your favorite beer, and go ahead and give it a nice pour. Let's tilt it a little bit. And, oh yeah, that looks nice. Now, here's the fun part. We're going to move that over a little bit and get a shot glass and get your favorite tequila. You can go with a cheap, dirty tequila, or you can go high-end, whatever you want. It doesn't matter because you're going to be mixing it with beer. So, take our shot and get our glass ready. Don't shoot it. You're going to drop it in the beer. Nice. There it is, 110 in the shade.